What's up, guys, and good morning. Guess what? It is brownout. Schedule brownout today. That's one thing. If there's a schedule brownout, they will put it on a page, so you know what day and what time. That's a good thing. Every other brownout, well, that's just a brownout, right? But we are up here at a place called Neverland. When I think about this place, I think about Metallica. Off the Neverland. But check this out. I'm a breakfast guy, as a lot of you guys know. But check this menu out. I'm very impressed. All right. Tell you what impresses me the most about it. All right. They have American breakfast right there. 2 eggs, bacon, fried potatoes, grilled tomato, toast, bread, butter, and jam. All right. Most places you go to, they don't even have that. They'll have eggs and bacon, but not potatoes. And I asked them, is that fried potatoes, cut up potatoes and fried? They said yes. So I'm like, good deal on that. However, I'm not having that this morning because Lut cooks it for me at home. And she does an amazing job, all right? But I do want to see how their over medium eggs are. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, what I'm having chocolate chip pancakes. They have basic pancakes, chocolate chip pancakes, banana walnut pancakes, French toast. This breakfast, I think, is probably the best breakfast selection I've seen here. And then they got these like fruit bowls and stuff like that you can have. But anyways, here we are right across from the church. Neverland, new place. It's not in the hub of everything. It's down around where my last video was made. So anyways, what are we doing today? It's brownout, so we're gonna roam around for the day. Alright guys, we are at a place called Secret Beach. However, it is no longer a secret. When we came here 5-6 years ago, this road here was nothing but a dirt road coming in. It was all beat up, it was rough, it was tough. A little bit down the road there, a little farther, it was kind of concreted, but it was a little rough. But they've now turned this into a tourist attraction. Parking for motorbikes 20 and cars 50. But you know what? I guess it's good. I guess it's good for the local economy, the local people. It does look nice. But they've really changed this, haven't they? Yeah. Yeah. It was just, you know, you just walked in. You walked in and you enjoyed it. But yes, very nice. We're going to check it out for sure. And what else we got here? Is this an entrance fee? Good morning. Entrance fee?
No.
No entrance fee.
No fee, it's free.
Still free. Just kind of like roaming around here, and boy, they have really how would you say it? Things have changed. They got chairs here. Now, I don't know if these are rentals. There's even boards down here, like paddle boards that you can stand up on and walk around or use. Like I said, I have to find out. But I remember the first time I was here, man, I stepped in a red ant colony. And man, it tore me up. You can bring your puppies back in here. I see puppies, but you have these here. These are boards you stand on like a paddle board. I have to find out how much it is, if they're rentals or what they are. I'm sure there's somebody around here I can talk to. But boy, this is nice. It definitely has improved, you know, for the better. That's for sure. All right.
Like that, local boat.
Local boat. Oh, okay.
Inside we have a guide.
A guide?
200 per person. 200
per person. Okay. So, gentleman was telling me these are rentals, and they're $200 to rent. The chairs are $150 for 2 rentals for 1 hour.
Yeah.
Everything's 1 hour, and also a guided boat tour. And that is how much? $200 per person for 1 hour. And they'll take you out here, and they'll guide you through the water here. But yeah, things have definitely changed. I'm happy. I'm impressed. And he laughed. I said, you know, when did it become a not secret beach, right? But they even have like little I call them like little canoes, glass bottom little canoes you can rent here. But yes, very, very nice, very impressed. Well, I don't know what happened. It's nice and sunny. Now all of a sudden it's pouring down rain. What do you want, right? It's part of the, make sure I don't have anything in my pocket that can get wet, right? Yeah, check it out, man. It is pouring down rain, and it looks dark that way. This is what I say. You know what? We live here. We can come back here anytime. Trying to hide our bags up under the trees so they don't get wet. Yeah. Alright. Well, since it's raining, I might as well just jump in the water here. Nice sandy bottom. Nice sandy bottom. Hopefully that's the cloud that's passing through. How is it? Warm. It is warm. Yeah. Yeah. You can see the tide is pulling the water pretty strong. We'll rent one of them kayaks and we'll wind up out in the middle of the ocean.
Well, as long as I have kayak, can hold on.
Hold on, yeah. Well, you can see it's clear over that way. And over this way, it's a little on the cloudy side. However, it is clearing up in the distance.
Out in stormy weather, I might have the blues, but nothing ever stopped me from dusting off my shoes. You might think you'll see me falling to the ground, but I threw up my...
Alright guys, so we are rolling out of here. It rained the whole time. Well, it wasn't raining when we got in here, but it started raining, right? My thoughts, very nice place. Minus the rain. Little beach, you can hang out on the beach. It's sandy, it's not rough, it's not rocky. You can go into the water. There's no rocks or anything like that in the water. It's very smooth. You don't need to put on shoes. Very nice. However, the downside is you can't bring food. I can understand with trash. You know, I understand. Put trash cans out. You know, maybe pay a person or two to walk around, clean up a little trash maybe around. It all boils down to people just cleaning up after themselves, right? That's what it all boils down to. But a very nice place to come and hang out, spend a couple hours. If you want to kayak or go out on little paddle boats, or, you know what I'm saying? It's a very nice place. Very clean, very peaceful, very relaxing. Nobody's cranking music. You don't hear music playing or anything. Very easy to get to. Wish I could have got my drone up in the air, guys. Rain, well, I'm not ruining my drone. That's not going to happen. Let me find a dry spot to go to. But yes, very nice. You can see the tide is going out. Once again, places like this, in this area, it all comes down to the tide. Can you go here on low tide? Sure you can. But the island revolves around high tide and low tide. But very beautiful coming in here. Lush green coconut trees and beautiful flowers. Very easy to get into. Not hard. So if you have say, health issues or bad knees or bad whatever. It's not climbing up and climbing and walking through a harsh jungle up and down hills. So, all right, guys, let me show you the main road coming in. A lot of stuff on this main road also. All right, guys, I wanted to show you this main road coming in. We're going out, obviously, but this is all brand new concrete. This road right through here. I mean, it's just beautiful coming down in here. And I'll tell you what, it's nice. Before it was a rough road coming down in here. All dirt, big potholes and mud holes and everything like that. But they have definitely improved it. Over here is your beach. You can park along here, walk out there to the beach, hang out, swim. It's all public access through here. But you see it, both sides of the road. But yeah, dealing with this rain, it is what it is. It is what it is. I got, look back there, she's in my rain jacket. She's a little on the chilly side. It is a very chilly, but even up here, I'll show you, if I don't run out of battery, there's like resorts, really nice resorts up in through here. Here's, I don't know what that is. Let's see, we think that's a house back in there. Yeah, look, it says our house, very nice. Coconut trees growing all over. You ever rode in the rain? It's not bad. You know what I mean? You deal with it. But it's the rain stinging off of your face that gets you. All right, guys. The sun is out. The rain is finally cleared up. However, there's still some dark clouds out there. We decided to roll up here to grab something to eat this afternoon. A place called Barrel. They do have good food. They have a bigger restaurant up there. They do have pool tables up there. They have TVs up there. It's really nice. Good food. We like coming here. We get, what did we get? We got some quesadillas. They got really good quesadillas here. But we also like to sit out here. We had breakfast out here the other day and decided to come up here, chill out, sit in the shade. Nice breeze going on through here. But it's nice and reasonably priced. This is one of the places that you find that's reasonably priced. Here's what we're having, some popcorn now, and we're having some vodka cranberries. We like sitting here. Nice breeze. You can come out. If we weren't swimming earlier, I probably would be swimming here. You can come out here on the beach. You can use the beach area here. Tide is starting to come in now. And we got some beach puppies, right, puppy? This is nice. You can walk this whole beach line all the way down and all the way down. People down there hanging out. Those boats there, they're taking surfers out. Can't surf right through here because it's not good surfing. But you get out there a little further, you can see the waves out there. So what the guys do is they grab their surfboards, they go on and out to the boats here, and then the boats take them out. Right, puppy? Another beach puppy. Well, that's what all these guys are waiting for, right? They're all ready. Oh, welcome to my vlog. Are you going out surfing? What do they charge for surfing?
How much?
Yeah, Macano.
1,200 for 2 hours.
1,200, and then the boat takes you out.
Yeah, 150 for the boat.
150 for the boat, 1,200 for 2 hours.
Yeah.
Okay.
Board.
Boards included?
Yeah, instructor also.
Instructor also. Is this more advanced surfing or beginner?
Yeah, there's a spot for advanced and there's a spot for beginners and
Okay.
for expert.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm below a beginner.
Yeah, you
No, I'm below a beginner. I don't want to go out. All right, guys. Thank you. So yeah, there it is. That's what all these people here are waiting for. Comes with boards, comes with an instructor. Yeah. I'll let you know here. But this is what everybody is waiting for. I'm not, like I said, I'm not a surfer, so it's not my thing. And they're the boats that they put them on and take them all out. So, all right, guys. All right, guys, that is a wrap for the day. I don't want to get over here by the construction. You guys can hear all the noise. It's funny, we're sitting there, right? And this one person said, boy, this drink is too strong, and they wanted to return it. I thought to myself, and I said to Lord, I said, who returns a strong drink, right? Now, I can understand if they get your drink wrong. All right, I'm going to return it, all right? But, or if it's weak, it's like, eh. But who returns a strong drink, right? Look, who?
Her?
Yeah.
Maybe she's not a heavy drinker.
I said, you know who returns a strong drink?
Pussy.
A pussy. Anyways, guys, that is our day. That is a wrap. Power should be on here soon. I can hear a generator running, so it's not on yet. Anyways, that's what we did on the brownout. You got to find things to do here. Even anywhere, if there's a brownout, find things to do. Keep yourself busy. Who wants to sit in the house? No fan, no air condition, no nothing, no internet. I know people say get solar. All right, buy me solar. That's all I can say. Anyways, guys, that's a wrap, and we'll talk to you in the next video.